Recently, Indian government has banned 59 Chinese apps in India. Popular file sharing apps like Xender and SHAREit are also included in this list. As a result, especially Android users are facing trouble in sharing files. Today in this video, I am going to share 2 non-Chinese alternative ways of Android file sharing. What's up guys, you are watching TECHNICARENA. Without any further ado, let's get started. The first way is to use Files app by Google. Yes, you heard it right. It's not only just a mere junk files clearing app, but also you can share files via this app. Moving on to the second way, you don't need to use any app. Just go to www.snapdrop.net and you are good to go. It can be described as Android version of AirDrop and works both on PC and smartphone as long as you are on the same network. So that's it for today guys, thanks for watching this video. If you have liked the video, smash the like button. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Make sure to follow me on Instagram where I post some interesting stuffs. I'll be back with another interesting video. Till then, stay safe, stay healthy. This is Nilanjan signing off. Peace.